Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and manage professional invoices in QuickBooks using the high-end 2026 desktop interface. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to optimize their studio bookkeeping and maintain a technical edge in their 2026 market analysis. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the high-end Sales Hub. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your billing workflow. You need to access the central technical hub where all your professional studio revenue is tracked. Look at the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on the Sales or Invoicing tab. From the dashboard that technicality appears, click the high-end Create Invoice button in the top right. The Sales Hub is the professional standard for oversight. Navigating here, technicality prepares your environment for high-end data entry, ensuring your professional bookkeeping remains organized from the start. Next, assign the customer identity. To ensure your market analysis is technicality accurate, you must link the invoice to the correct professional entity in your database. Click the Customer drop-down menu, Technicality search for an existing client, or select Add New to create a fresh high-end profile. Verify the customer email is present as this is a mechanical necessity for digital delivery. Proper customer mapping is a professional standard. Technicality ensures that your studio records are linked to the right history, allowing for high-end reporting and client management. Next, technicality itemize products and services. Now you need to candidly bridge the gap between your professional labor and your revenue by adding your high-end line items. Move to the Product/Service table. Select the technical service or product provided during your studio session. Enter the description, quantity, and rate. Technicality verify that the sales tax is applied correctly based on professional regulations. This step is a mechanical necessity for precise bookkeeping. Technicality breaks down your professional value, ensuring your market analysis reflects your high-end output. Click the Print or Preview button at the bottom to technicality inspect the high-end PDF layout. Once the data is verified, click Save and Send. And that's pretty much it. To create an invoice in 2026, navigate to the Sales tab, click Create Invoice, and technicality assign your customer. Itemize your products, set your payment terms, and preview the layout to verify your high-end data. Finally, click Save and Send to ensure your professional bookkeeping is technicality perfect. This professional workflow ensures your studio is optimized for the market. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.